Welcome to Easy FX and binary trading. Today's video is all about how to install Soft4FX Forex Simulator full version on MT4. Let's not wait anymore. Let's go to the main part of the video. Firstly, we need an MT4 software. I have already downloaded and installed MT4, and as you can see, this is running an Exness demo account because the Exness is still supporting MT4. And you will need this software here. Let's extract it, and we should have these three files. Now let's reopen the Exness folder and click on the file and open the data folder. Go to MQL4 and expert folder. I will delete this because I don't need them. And after that, we need to paste this Soft4FX Forex Simulator EX4 here and go to the files folder, and we need this specific two file in the file section, the DLL and the exe file. Let's copy it here. Now close and refresh here. We should have this expert advisor here. Before running it, we need to enable the auto trading and go to the tools, options, and expert advisor. Allow DLL imports, enable it and press OK. Now we are ready to run this simulator. Double click on it and press OK. Click on agree. Run on full mode. Of course, you need to enter a valid email here.
Type in any 8-digit code you want.
In my case, I typed in 101010. That's it. Now if I click on the new simulator, we don't have any data here. The problem with the previous version was we can't download any data, but we have already fixed this in this version. So you can download your desired data from here. Click in the data center, and firstly I will download this event. Click on download and it will start the downloading. As you can see, we already have the data from 2007 to 2025, and if we click on any pair data, let's say GBPJPY last 1 year, or download all available data, you can download full or you can download last 1 year data. I will download the last year data for the demonstration purpose. Just stop it and close it. Click on new simulation. You will have the data, and you can select your spread. I will select 10 points and the account currency, rewinding allowed. That's it. Start and add your desired time frame. In my case, I will add H1, H4 and M30. Let's open those three, and that's it. We need to select some template. I will select this black on white. It will look clean. You can create and save any template, then you can go through the template and use saved one. I didn't save any template here yet, so for me it's I will use only black and white version. You can see it's playing. You can see the trade is going on. You can see anything, you can place any trade and anything. That's it. As you can see, the system is working properly. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe in our channel.